Hello, I'm going to do my first activity of this second task. So here we are in the website Speak and Improve. Let's see what happened with these 8 questions.
What's your name?
My name's Natalie Petro.
How do you spell your family name?
Petro.
Where are you from?
I'm from Colombia.
Are you working or studying at the moment?
I'm studying and working.
How interested are you in learning about other countries?
A lot because I want to live abroad.
How do you enjoy spending your free time?
I enjoy spending my free time on writing.
What's the best way for you to improve your English?
Watching TV series, that's the best way for me.
If you could learn a new skill, what would it be?
Definitely to animate in 2 dimensions. Let's see the feedback. I think this is loading here the analysis of everything I said before. So let's see what the result is. B1, what is a CF? Okay, I think that's all done. Thank you for watching.